Now I am going to dictate a legal passage based on latest Supreme Court judgment at the rate of 100 words per minute. Let's start. The learned counsels for the appellants also contended that the cancellation of the entire selection process after its completion and preparation of the final select list is unjustified and amounts to changing the rules of the game after the declaration of results, which is impermissible. Reliance is placed on K. Manjushree versus State of Andhra Pradesh and another within bracket 2008 3 SCC 512. It is argued that the appellants who emerged successful after the due process of selection, which was carried out as per the advertisement, have a vested right to be appointed and are instead being made to suffer though no fault of their own. They further contended that the decision taken by the state government and approved by the High Court amounts to arbitrary action as it fails to specify the concerned anomaly with Rule 9 within bracket 1 within bracket small I, which necessitated the cancellation of the entire process. Learned counsel for the private respondents, that is the writ petitioners before the High Court, also contended that the cancellation of the entire selection process at such a tardy stage would seriously impact their interests. They argue that as per the stand of the AICTE before the High Court, their applications were eligible and should thus be reconsidered along with the applications of the appellants. Learned senior counsel for the state, Mr. Patwalia, vehemently contends that the state was well within its domain to scrap the selection process, considering the numerous legal issues that cropped up concerning the previously applicable rules. It is brought to the notice of this court that in furtherance of its decisions as approved by the impugned order, the government of Bihar has repealed the existing rules and notified the Bihar Subordinate Engineering within bracket civil mechanical electrical cadre rules 2023 within bracket. The new rules vide notification number 1174 dated 07/03/2023 in compliance with the directions of the High Court. Appropriate provisions for the grant of one-time age relaxations have also been made under Rule 8 within bracket 2 of the new rules. Further, BTSC has cancelled the advertisement by the notice dated 10/04/2023 and press requisitions have been sent by the Water Resources Development to the BTSC by the letter dated 21/03/2023 for selection against 2,252 vacant posts for junior engineers in that department. Mr. Patwalia further contends that the completion of the selection process under the advertisement resulting in the select list and in the final select list was consistently carried out with the rider that the appointments would be subject to the outcome of the pending litigation. He argues that while the select list was partially set aside by the High Court by the order dated 19/04/2022, the final select list was neither considered by the High Court nor published, and therefore no right to appointment vests with the appellants, making any claim to equity untenable. At this stage, it is pertinent to note that while issuing notice, this court by the order dated 24/04/2023 directed the maintenance of status quo which has persisted till date. As per the most recent status report by the state, nearly 9,187 posts of junior engineers remain vacant, drastically affecting the day-to-day functioning of the state. As retirements are ongoing, the working strength is continuously decreasing and is currently at 11.7%. In recognition of the peculiar facts and circumstances of this case, Mr. Patwalia has fairly stated before this court that the state will abide by any appropriate direction given by the court para. We have heard learned counsel for the parties and perused the record para. As evidenced above, the present case has a checkered history. Before the advertisement was released, an amendment was brought to the rules in 2017. Stop. Thank you.